Alright, you guys, I made it into Marshall's. Now check this one out. Oh, I haven't seen this one. This Anne Klein. Anne Klein shoes and the wedge. Oh, you know what? These are House of Harlow for $35. I was gonna say I never really seen an Anne Klein shoe. Well, I have, but they're more like a flatted type. Okay, that's kind of cute. See this one, more sandal with the heel. Nautica, the Vans is still around. A Nautica sneakers, a G by Guess. Let me pull this one out. A little floral print action on the Blowfish. We have Skechers. These are $30. The little sandal one. What is this one? Oh, Skechers maybe $29.99. Yeah, the soft stride. I know we've seen these sandals before. Oh, we're missing one, but these are actually quite nice. By the brand Cushionaire, these are only $20. If I could find the other one. Okay, we just seen these. Not as much today. Oh. Sperry, $35. I know we've seen this one's gonna wrap around with a little wedge. It's a different color. I think we've seen there's a whiter color, like a creamier one. That's more like kind of like off grayish, if you want to call it. These are $40. Okay, Reebok. I'm not sure if we've seen this one here. Let me pull it out. The big chunky sneaker. Oh, there we go. I want to drop that box. Oh no, don't slide off. Oh, there we go. I think maybe we might have seen that. Okay, more heels. Oh, check that out. It's a different print. We have Jessica in here. Oh, these are kind of cute. These are $15. They're little like moon stars. It looks like you get 3 pair in here. These are $13. Okay, I know we've seen these. Not so much jewelry. The champagne glass is still around. Those are $10. Definitely Valentine vibes. Oh, look at that. For $17. Is that a bookmark? That's a bookmark? Oh. Never seen that. This one's $17. Little layering one. So maybe your birthstone in here. All I see is May. May. Oh. That's it. Only May with the green. They're kind of cute for $17. Like little layering necklaces here. $15. This little cross says the mom on it. That's $17 as well. I haven't seen this one.
Proverbs.
Yeah. Little necklace for $15, like a little one. Little monograms have K, C. All I see is like the letter K and C. Oh, that's $15. A lot of hearts. A lot of hearts. Oh my gosh, look at that for $13. Hey, you know what? If you know somebody who loves tennis, like your kid who plays tennis, that's a good one. If they would wear it. But you know, it's kind of like fun just to give that, I think. The mushroom one is still around. The faces. Oh, nothing too new in jewelry. I still think that heart one is like really, really cute in the back. There's like no price on these watches.
How about earning rewards for it too? When you use the TJX Rewards credit card at any of our family stores, no annual fee.
Okay, we have the Clueless one. Oh, it's dirty. The avocado makeup. These are still around. Okay, I found a mini fan. Is this for like your eyelashes? $5. It's a beauty fan or just like a fan in general. I know a lot of people buy it for like their eyelashes. MAC Prep and Prime right here. MAC Studio. Are these eyelashes? Wow, there's tons. They're only $7. I kind of feel like they came from maybe Christmas, you know, leftover. And I found this large one down here for $15. The Breakfast Club Physicians Formula. What is this, like a makeup box? Oh gosh. You get Princess a lipstick, mascara, eyeshadow, a face palette. Okay, you get quite a bit in here. Can I open it? Oh, there's nowhere to put this except for on the ground. I hate doing that. That's kind of cool. Gluten-free, 20% to end bullying. Okay, they're $5.99. I love looking at their lip balm section. I always buy tons of stuff in here. Aloe, we have green apple. These are actually kind of good. I just bought a couple of these. There's one that's like a lip plumping. I didn't know it till you put it on. Well, I didn't read it, but it's like, you know, makes your lips tingle a little. I'll go down here. And all the Hello Kitty kawaii stuff is still here. There's a Jacqueline one mixed in. That's $5.99. Okay, this is cute. 35. Hey, it's by Aldo. I've never seen a heart one. That's adorable. And you know what? You can detach that. We love that. We have the BB for 25. Here's a cute little mini one for 10. Like if you're going to a dance. I don't know. I mean, you can't fit a phone in there unless you have like a flip phone. I know we've seen this one, but check this one out here for 15. Double chain, another Aldo for $29.99. Looks like butterflies, flowers in them. More Anne Klein here. Get the little pocket too, like card holder for $29.99. 30. Who makes this one? Blush and Crush. That is a 20. Not as many new bags in this location, mainly Anne Klein. Here's a House of Harlow one, which looks really, really similar to an Aldo one. Aldo has a bag just like this right here with a snake, almost identical. Okay, this one's kind of crazy. It's like really stiff though. Who makes that? $29.99. It's vegan, PETA approved. It's on alarm. And the bag, that's 20. New Stitch, okay. They are $5.99, and you know the price is gonna increase when you get larger. You know what? I saw a little sneak peek today on I think it was Instagram. Somebody was showing Disneyland like merch for Halloween already. I was like, oh my gosh, we're like in summer. I'm calling it summer here where I live. $8 because it's like supposed to be like 80s, but our weather's so weird. Like we're windy one day, the next day we're not windy, we're windy. Allergies all over the place. Look how stinking cute. $5 for work. My dog has allergies, my husband has allergies. My son has allergies.
I'm not an allergy guy.
I had to take him to the doctor because I'm like, how do you get sick? $5 here. These are really nice. They are glass. But I'm like, we have tons of pollen on the grass in our backyard. Just falling all over the place. Look at these really cute container tops. So if you are taking lunch to work or anything and you want to know where people buy their containers, Marshall's, TJ Maxx. It's like little ladybugs on it. There's a watermelon one, the orange. Look at Squidward and his big head. These are 5. I would get them. They just look so funny, right? Squidward. You know, even though he's not so nice, you know, I kind of like that character. I actually saw somebody with evil plankton on his leg. He had an evil plankton. Look, Hershey's, $5.99. Oh yeah, for the eggs. Okay. I also have a circle one too. I love the fruit ones. They're 10. I know we've seen these like last year. We have cherry, blueberry, a lemon. This little cute one, just like little daisies by Martha. Oh. Who remembers making these as a kid? More blueberry. Home is where your mom is. I don't like that saying. I don't know why. I don't like it. 7. It's a cute watermelon one. You get 3, so set. Best Mimi ever. You know what? I've never seen Mimi. I know, what do your kids call their grandma and grandpa? My kids just call Nana Nana, and your mom Grandma. I know a lot of people have different names. Look at this Ralph Lauren one. These are 8. Then more KitchenAid to match your mitt. $5.99. Oh gosh. Look at the little chilies. You get 20 for $5.99. And then you get a little margarita one. They kind of look like gummies, right? Check out this lemon. $4 by Shabby Chic. A lot of Tommy Bahama. Oh, these are chillers. Yeah. $2.99. You know, the fruit. Throw that in your freezer. Oh, look right here. Shaped like a pineapple. That's cute. Popsicle maker holders. I like this one, but they kind of really don't stay in its form. But these are good if you have a kid who's teething. Make all types of yummy treats. Oh, look at the strawberry one's really cute. Oh my gosh. They have a ring pop one. The bling pop. That's $5.99. Oh, I have to try that. Oh, you know what? Also, if you do the aloe for your face, you could put the aloe in here, freeze it. There you go. You're ready in the morning. Or at nighttime. A lot of cute stuff. Okay, today they have Lucy. The talking bobblehead. Okay, the lucky dog is still here. The party horn. Yeah, let's see. There's a UFO cow one. 7. That's kind of funny. No luck on Star Trek, yeah. That one's a magnet one though. Then everything on top for stationery is for your mom. Everything says mom notes. I like this bug one. 5. I like the bug. Oh, this one's cute too. The ladybug one. That's 4. These are $5.99. Thank you. Looks like maybe for like graduation. Can't believe it's the end of the school year. My gosh. World's Best Grandma, and then Mom, Gigi. That's a new one. Glamma. A lot of glamma. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Best Nana ever, Grandma. That's why they call me Nana. There's Nana one. And Gigi. Maybe I'll give my mom this one. I don't even know if she's watching. Maybe not. Sometimes I know she watches. She'll tell me things. And I'm like, you know, parents, no matter how old you are, a lot of criticism. I'm like, sorry, I'm not like everybody else, Mom.
And then she names other YouTubers.
Yeah, I was like, okay, Mom, thanks. Okay, over here, look at this. 4th of July, Memorial Day. Look at the cat. He's lighting it up. Never seen this doll one though. Cute little doggies. Look at that flag. Okay, a lot of cool stuff. It's been a while since I've been in Marshall's. Okay, this one's new for $8. So I know they have one that's like bottom only. This one has the bust, no arms, a little dinosaur or lizard. Oh my gosh, I was walking. You guys, I saw a lizard that had to be somebody's pet that they let go. It was huge. And it obviously got smashed in the road. Because at first, I'm like, is that a frog? Still too early for frogs to come out. It's really hot out. But it was a huge, like, dragon lizard. That's kind of sad. I've never seen such a huge one, like, out in the open like that. Okay, this is their home decor. I kind of like this one up here. The ones that are always handcrafted in Mexico. This one's really interesting. I like that different handles on here. Ooh, this one's $40. It's a lot going on. Okay, more red, white, and blue. Like a pencil shaving wreath. They also have a larger one. Let's find out. 20, not bad. This one 20 as well. 15 for the small one. Oh my gosh, they have matching dresses. $29.99. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. This one comes with a little purse and then a little hat. Oh gosh, those are all by Shabby as Chic. Some cute pajamas over here. Dozing off to sleep, 10. Those are cute. Very cute pizza one. Look at that. A little whale one and a shark. Okay, I found Ghost Face. This one's 10. Looks like it's gonna glow in the dark. Something fun. They're gonna put out some new men's shirts. MTV, of course. Here's the back with the alien mothership. This one has a dog on it in the corner. Ford. Here's a bag. 8. Another dog. That's Columbia for 10. It's just a button-up one. Character select. I feel like they always have this one. Chevrolet, and that is a Snoopy one, like Explorer. Peppa Pig. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, you guys, in Marshall's. Oh, this cute butterfly one. You get the head bow too. That's 15. Oh, I want to get to this cherry print one. Let's see, that's 10. It's like a little romper for them. They also have a yellow polka dot. Here's more little boy stuff like dinosaurs, BCBG. This yellow one's cute too. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. Oh, look at that ladybug. That's cute. Like kind of a crochet top. Man, I know I say it again. Always more girls stuff compared to boys. Compared to boys. Come on, let's bring on the boy fashion. Oh, look at the little princess. Joni is so funny. Okay, they have the pink one today for 15. Sunnies. Look at this guy. Look at his big claws at the bottom. Oh my gosh. It's funny. Oh, he looks sad. Happy and then sad on the inside. I don't know. That's a weird one.